Hello guys, we are back with another video. So today I want to show you how to buy dips. This is not going to be exactly the dip, the lowest point, but it helps. This is really good, if you want to buy kind of like not really dollar cost average, but I have a kind of a strategy, but I'm not doing it. I don't do this. I usually just dollar cost average. I buy in every week, but I have been thinking of doing this in the past, or I've been thinking of doing this in the past, but I'm not sure. Maybe because it's kind of risky because you miss the gains if you do dollar cost average. Then you just have to wait for the pullback and then you put all in. So basically what you do is you just collect all the money that you, like let's say you put $100 into your account every week, and then you have to wait until it hits bottom, which I'm going to show you the strategy like right now. So what you need is this indicator. This indicator is pretty good. It's called the Cipher B free. Just type it up and the indicator is right there. Just type it up. I'm pretty sure if I type it up it's there. Cipher B free. So I think it's that one. I'm pretty sure it is. So I think it's that one. All right, so you get that one, and then just a regular RSI. Okay, so what you want to do is go. Some people go daily chart. I go daily chart, but some people, go weekly. Weekly works well too, but I'm gonna just show the daily. That's what I would use. So yeah, so as you can see, this is gold. What you want to do, this is the indicator. You just want to see green here, green spot like these. You want to see it in this green line in between, and you want the RSI below 30 or near it. So basically, last time gold did that was a while back. Let me see. So right here, see, that means you would have bought some dollar cost average, or just put a whole new position in. So I would get in like right here. Reason why is because I usually want to buy it before the green actually happens. I just want to buy it where the blue, it's in the green lines, and then the RSI. So basically, I think the first one would be like these two candles, either one. So I would buy in here, and then as you can see, it was pretty low. So yeah, that was the last time. It's a very good dollar cost average point. So what you do is, let's say you start off $100 every week. Let's say let me see, you can do a replay. So let's do a replay. So I'm probably gonna fast forward this. I'm not sure yet, but we're just gonna see where it goes. So the starting date, I forgot already. Let's say it was May 8th, all right? So what you do, you just, you put the money in your account, $100. You just maybe just put it in cash for now. Like, I don't do this, but I'm just telling you what I probably would do. So as you can see, it's right there, but the RSI is not there yet. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Yeah, RSI is not there yet. Okay, hurry up. Okay, as you can see, one more. So right here, I would load up. So what was it? May 8th. So the $100 you put in every week, which you put on maybe cash, earning interest like 4%, whatever. May 8th. Where is it? 8th, and then do that. How much days? So it says 101 days. So 101 days, you divide that. So 101 divided by 7, because 7 days in 1 week. So it's been basically 14 weeks. So you do 14 times 100, so you have 1,400. So all this time, during this time, you had 1,400. So you started from here, $100 every week, but you just put it into interest until you wait for a good dip. So then you take it out and then you buy the gold. So you would just buy it, for example, like that. This is just 5 shares, just whatever. This is just an example. And then as you can see, it usually, does good. So again, this indicator is not 100% like, amazing. It won't get the exact bottom every time, but it's pretty helpful for, dollar cost average. I know some people who do it for trading. I don't do it for trading. I had a recent, like today, I did use it for option trading, but I just got scared and it was not good. So I did make a bit of money, but I wouldn't recommend it. I just recommend using these as buying for dips. So yeah, so that is for gold. But these would only usually work, from my observation and research, maybe high tech or something like Palantir or Robinhood, something like that. Let me see. Let's go PLT or okay. Okay, fix this. Okay, whatever. It's not up to date. All right, whatever. Okay, so for Palantir, so right here, I would have bought some right here at 7, and then not here, maybe, I don't know. Maybe look, if it's been a long time, then if it hits something like that and it didn't hit, I would maybe buy. But here's an example of it doesn't work all the time, because if you're one of those who just sells out really quick, see the first time it did it like right here, see, pretty good. Okay, $18, and then it went up. So some people, maybe a good swing trade. I don't have any experience on swing trade. So this, all I'm saying is this is just what I've been researching, and it looks good. So I've been using it when I buy dips on my stocks the growth stocks that I own. So like the recent tariff stuff, most of the stocks went down. They had these indicators and I bought some. So ever since then we went up, but again, it doesn't work a lot because the economy has a lot of context and all that. So, you could use it with yield max too, but it's even worse because yield max always goes down. So yield max, as you can see, here's a Tesla. This was back in 2023. Let me see. So I don't know, bought, can't really see it. So this candle I would buy, and then yeah, whatever. But let me see. Replay off. Again, like this is something that I saw online. Someone had the indicator, but okay. So see, this is the tariff news. So you would have bought. Look, see, here's an example where it doesn't work. So I would have bought some probably right here. So $10. You would have got rocked. Okay, you would have got rocked. So I don't know, because on what's it called? On yield max, I would use the stock I'm tracking. So it's tracking. So if it's Tesla, I would do it on the Tesla chart. So I wouldn't use the Tesla chart, but on the Tesla. But again, it still got rocked. Tesla, it would look similar. So yeah, that's how this looks. So it's not that hard. It's just pretty simple. You can do it with crypto, especially crypto. Crypto's a really good one. Let's just look at the Bitcoin. I don't know, right here. So here's one. So you would have bought some at 83s, and then another one like 58s. This is back in June 2024. So with cryptos is good. So these are really good for stocks that keep growing, like SPY, QQQ. Most of those stocks, growth stocks, like really good growth stocks. Not like bad stocks like Dollar General or whatever, Wendy's. Like I wouldn't recommend. I haven't experiment with those, but the ones that I have is like Bitcoin, XRP. I really like. So yeah. I think that's all I have. Oh wait, actually, let's see. The weekly is a little better. It's more cleaner doing it, but it takes a long time because it tells you. It would have told you to. It's good buy time right here back when it was. So see, 20k. You would buy at 20k, but it doesn't. 16k was the lowest, but 20k is a good price. So yeah, this is the weekly. Weekly is probably more clear, but you have to wait 80,000 years. So I know right now a good one that I've seen recently is UNH. I used to own this. I had a little bit of money in it. So UNH, as you can see, it happened right here. Oh shoot! Wow. Okay. Okay. Right here. So UNH, I would buy. Dang, it went to the low. So somewhere right here, you would have bought some, maybe for long term. I don't know. UNH, I don't want to hold it. So I don't own this stock no more, but it has been bad recently. I think FICO is another one I don't own, but I know it's down. Yeah, it's not there yet for that. So yeah, I know I had a DHI. So DHI was one that didn't reacted well, as you can see, because DHI had one here. Wait, no, RSI not. You have to remember, look at both. So one at like 140s somewhere, like 140s. So yeah. See, here didn't work too well because it just wasn't performing well. But I did it because DHI has been getting rocked lately. But I don't want it. I sold it. I put it into somewhere else. So use it wisely. Again, it's not a trading thing. I wouldn't recommend it for trading. I would just use it to buy dips, like pretty good dips. You won't get the lowest dip, but sometimes you would get, not so good dips. But it's just an indicator to use. It's mostly a long-term thing. It's not a short-term thing. That's what I would do. But again, that's what every time when I'm in the stock and I see, I'll just say, okay, I'll load up a bit more, add some money. So that's what I do. So I discovered this for, I don't know, it's been months, and it's been good.